So my name's Darcy. I run a web design development firm called pixelfactory.ca. It's here in Canada. Right now I'm just continuing on with building a Bootstrap 5 website, or a Bootstrap 5 theme. In the previous video I basically guided through how to set up your project. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this design that we have for a theme and start to actually put it into Bootstrap. Right now we're set up right now with this. It's just like a basic setup for a Bootstrap 5 project, and so we're going to start actually applying the design to this. So follow along if you'd like. So let's just see here. How to do this thing. So yeah, there's the design. There's our Bootstrap. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm actually just going to like customize the stylings, or customize the Sass. So I'm going over here and you can read through all this if you want. I'll just give you the abbreviated version. Right now what we have here is we've imported all of our Bootstrap styling here, but I'm actually going to use this instead and just kind of mix and match all the different kind of like styles that you have for available for Bootstrap. So I'm just going to copy this to the clipboard, go to my project, open up my styles.scss folder. Here it is. You can see here we're importing all the Bootstrap styling, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to paste that there. And before I save that, you'll see here some of the styling that exists right now when importing all the Bootstrap styling is going to disappear. So this is what it looks like right now. I save it, save this SCSS. Oh, and I get an error. And I think I know why that is because this is not pointing to the right directory. So I'm just going to make sure that's going in the right place. And boom, there you go. So yeah, you can see I lost some of the styling here, like the primary button, that's no longer there. And that's because, if I look at this a little bit more. So let's just see here. We're including parts of our Bootstrap. So here we're including all the functions. Step 2 is where you put all your variable overrides. We'll get into that in a little bit. This is step 3 where you have your variables for light and dark. Include any default map overrides. We'll probably get into that a little bit too, I believe. And then what does it say? Include a remainder of required parts, so the maps, mixins, and the root. And then options, so include any other parts as needed. And you can see here our primary button hasn't got any styling there, and that's because we haven't actually added any button styling to it. So I'm just going to copy that and so yeah, you have button group and buttons. I'm just going to add both of those. There's buttons. Button groups. So I add that to my project, to my styles. And I'm going to save it. And that should, bring the primary button back. So there you go, there's the styling for the buttons. So yeah, so there you go. I kind of got that going. I think we're also going to be fairly quickly here, needing a navigation. So let's also nav bar, yeah. So nav one, and then the other one is nav bar, yeah. Okay, I'll save that. Hi, yeah, I just got the movie there because we're kind of done doing the setup for the project, and the next video is actually all about putting all the markup together, which can kind of be a little tedious. So if you're hoping to just skip over all of the parts where I'm just putting together the markup, all the HTML into that index file, then feel free to just skip ahead to the video after this one, and it will be more about the styling of that markup. So yeah, thanks for tuning in.